Hey, Jim Starwelt here with your Grayslake, Illinois market update as of the end of February 2024. Now, what we've got going on, the total listing count is about the same as last month, but it's still slightly down from last year. So listings are down, but they're really starting to pick up. There's positive news here, but both new and pending listings are up as far as new, but it's indicating that we're seeing an inventory increase, but the homes are going under contract about the same rate as they're coming on the market. So we're once again in a fast-moving market. The bottom line is plenty of inventory there if you're looking for a house, but you have to be with a team that's going to move fast and get you in there. You can't sit on the fence and decide, I'm not sure if I want this house or not. You have to be pre-qualified, be pre-screened, know what you're going to do, know what you're looking for. When you see it, you have to make your move. The median price is down, but the per square foot is about the same at $155 per square foot. That indicates that smaller, more affordable homes are coming on the market in Grayslake. What this means for home buyers right now is a good time to get out there, but make sure you're proactive, make sure you're ready to pull the trigger when you see the house that you're ready for. I'm Jim Starwelt, leader of the Star Home Team right here in Grayslake, Illinois. Give us a call and we'll find you that house that fits your needs.